In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check which email is linked to your Facebook account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Knowing which email is associated with your Facebook account can be really helpful, especially if you're having trouble logging in or need to update your contact information. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. You can use Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you like. In the address bar, type in facebook.com. Alternatively, you can do a quick search for Facebook, and it should be one of the first results that pop up. Once the Facebook page loads, you'll be at the home screen. Now take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile picture there. Click on that. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options. You might notice some links for your profile, Help Center, and more. Next, in that drop-down menu, look for an option that says Settings and Privacy. It's usually right there in the menu, under your name. Go ahead and click on that. Once you click, it will reveal more options. You will then need to click on Aka Settings. It's typically the first option that comes up in the expanded menu. Now you're in the Settings section. Here, you'll see various options related to your account settings. What we want to do now is look for something called Account Center. This is where Facebook keeps all the information about your account settings in one place. Click on that. Once you're in the Account Center, look for a section labeled Personal Details. This section contains all the essential information Facebook has about your account, including your email address and phone number. It should be quite straightforward as you scroll down. Here, you will clearly see the contact information that is currently linked to your Facebook account. If you have multiple emails linked, you might see them all listed here, so take note of which one you may want to use for future logins or notifications. By having this information, you can ensure that your account is secure and that you're receiving all the necessary updates and messages from Facebook. One important point to keep in mind is to keep this email updated. If you change your email address or get a new one, don't forget to update it in your Facebook account as well. Otherwise, you could miss out on important notifications or potentially face issues when trying to recover your account. And that's really all there is to it. It's super easy to check which email is linked to your Facebook account. Just remember, open your browser, go to Facebook, click on your profile picture, head to Settings and Privacy, then Settings, and finally, Account Center to view your personal details. Thank you for joining me in this quick tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that you can now easily check your linked email. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you ever have difficulties or questions about Facebook or other platforms, feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Until next time, stay safe and take care.